Now I will solve some examples on formation of partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary functions. Consider one example: f of xy comma divided by z comma z is equal to 0. Let f of u comma v is equal to 0. Compare the given equation with respect to equation 1. Then the value of u is equal to xy by z and the value of z is equal v is equal to z. So differentiate u and v with respect to x and y partially, means dou u by dou x is equal to, treating y as a constant, so keep as it is. What is derivative of x divided by z? X is one variable, z is also one variable. So differentiate x by z means it is u by v form, means it is quotient rule. Derivative of u by v is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So dou u by dou y is equal to, treating x as a constant, what about derivative of y by z value? By using this z minus y into q divided by z square. We have v is equal to z, differentiate v with respect to x and y. So dou v by dou x is equal to dou z by dou x, it is nothing but p. Dou v by dou y is equal to dou z by dou y, which is equal to q. Then differentiate equation 1 with respect to x and y partially. We get dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x is equal to 0. This implies dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x is equal to, take this value to RHS side, minus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x, call it as 2. Equation 1 with respect to y means dou f by dou u, means f is the function of u comma v and u and v are the function of x, y, z. So dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou y is equal to 0. Take this value to RHS side. Dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y is equal to minus of dou f by dou v into dou v by dou y. Call this as equation 3. Divide equation 2 by 3 we get, means it is equation 2. It is equation 2, it is equation 3. Divide means cancel these two values. Yes, we get dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y is equal to dou v by dou x into remaining term dou v by dou y, which is equal to, what about dou u by dou x value? Yes, we have dou u by dou x is equal to y into z minus xp divided by z square, right in the numerator. What about dou u by dou y value? X into z minus yq divided by z square is equal to, what about dou v by dou x value? It is p. What about dou v by dou y? It is q. Let's cancel z square value. Then write the remaining thing, y into z minus xp divided by x into z minus y into q is equal to p over q. Cross multiply, we get y into q into z minus x into p is equal to px into z minus y into q. Simplify, remove bracket and simplify, we get x into p is equal to y into q. Yes, one more example. It is asked in model question paper 2018 and 19. Z is equal to y into f of x plus x into phi of y. Here there are two arbitrary functions f and pi. Write the given equation, call it as equation 1. It is having two arbitrary functions, means you have to differentiate twice, means second order partial derivative is needed. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x and y. Say dou z by dou x, treating y as a constant. What is differentiation of f of x value? F dash of x plus differentiation of x is 1, treating y as a constant means keep as it is pi of y, which is equal to what is dou z by dou x? P. Call it as 2. With respect to y means dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y is equal to q, which is equal to differentiation of y is 1. F of x is keep as it is plus x is also keep as it is. Pi of y means it is phi dash of y. Call it as equation 3. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. We get dou square z divided by dou x square. We know that dou square z divided by dou x square is equal to r. So which is equal to r is equal to y is keep as it is. What is differentiation of f dash of x here? It is f double dash of x. Call this as equation 4. Then differentiate y with respect to means equation 3 with respect to y. Dou square z divided by dou y square, it is nothing but t, is equal to first value becomes what? With respect to y means this value is constant. Differentiation of constant term is 0. So x into what about differentiation? Phi double dash of y. Call it as equation 5. Then differentiate equation 2. Again differentiate equation 2 with respect to y. Means it is dou z by dou x into dou by dou y, means it is dou square z divided by dou x into dou y, which is equal to s. With respect to y means it is first term. Differentiation of y is 1. What about f dash of x? Keep as it is plus. What about differentiation of y? Means it is phi dash of y is equal to s. Call this as equation 6. From equation 2, we want the value of f dash of x and pi dash of y value. From 2, write the value f dash of x is equal to p minus pi of y divided by y. From 3, the value of pi dash of y is equal to q minus f of x divided by x. Call this as equation 7. Equation 7 is substituted in equation 6. We get s is equal to substitute above equations in equation 6. We get s is equal to, this is nothing but the value of f dash of x. It is the phi dash of y value. So take LCM. We get px minus x into pi of y plus qy minus y into f of x divided by xy. Take this value to LHS side. RHS value is same. Means in the numerator value is same. So xys is equal to px plus qy. What about this value? As it is given equation, y into f of x plus x into pi of y. As it is the given equation. It is the given equation. So write this value is equal to z. Then take minus z to LHS side. So xy s plus z is equal to px plus qy. We know that the value of s, p and q, xy into dou square z divided by dou x into dou y plus z is equal to x into the value of p is dou z by dou x plus y into the value of q is dou z by dou y, which is the required partial differential equation. Means it is the solution of given equation.